Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a holiday look because it's the holiday season and I am super excited for the holiday season. I love being able to, see my family, interact with them. How many times a year do I really get to see my family? Not very often. And being able to actually see them during the holiday season, it's great. It's like the best time of the year, and I'm not talking about the presents that are given. I'm talking about the presence of my family. And I love spending time with my family. I love catching up. I mean, the holidays are when you actually see your family after it's been like a year. And, maybe they see what you're posting on Facebook, but they haven't really seen you in person for a while. So it's the holiday season. It is turkey time. I am so excited. I can't wait to stuff my face with turkey. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to do a subtle, glam, pretty eyeshadow look with my custom created Beautonomy palette. It is called Deck the Halls. I am so excited to be showing you guys this palette and all of the capabilities behind it. If you guys don't know what Beautonomy is actually a UK brand where you can create your own custom palettes. And I created the Deck the Halls palette specifically for, that's right, the holidays. That's why it's called Deck the Halls. And this palette right here is so versatile in so many ways. It is probably like my #1 go-to palette during the holiday season. It has glitters, it has shimmers, and it has neutrals to create this beautiful, glamorous, or subtle look that you want for the holidays. With this Beautonomy palette, I really wanted to create something that was easy and you could actually go like super, super bold, or you could do super, super subtle. So in this look that I am creating today, I am going into the color Desert Sand, which is a brown neutral shade, and I put it all over the lid of my eye. And I use a Luxie blending brush to do so. Now you can use really any blending brush. This one I just received in a BoxyCharm, so I like using this one to just apply eyeshadow all over the lid of my eye. Sevelina, I think I am pronouncing that right. Use another matte shade. And this was because I wanted to show you guys, something subtle, something simple. And with this matte shade, it is a great crease shade to kind of define everything, but it also gives you like a little pop of color. In any case, I like using this color. It's just a pop of something on your eye, and it's like a Merlot burgundy shade, and it blends beautifully with the Desert Sand, and these two I found complement each other very, very well. And then to add a shimmer to my eye, I took a Luxie small crease brush, although this really isn't for a crease. It's actually super small, super tiny, and I use this to put a brow bone highlight. French 75 is a like white shimmer glitter shade with a little bit of a gold undertone, so it works really well with the Desert Sand. Honestly, if you just wanted to finish off this look, I usually put golden sugar in the corner of my eye as like my inner corner highlight, and you could be done. This could be like your minimal holiday or any everyday look, but if I want to go, a step further, I take the Golden Sun or the Merlot and I add some shimmer and glitter to my eyes. Now you will notice that these glitters are like super pigmented, and they actually have more than just a glitter. It's not like a super glossy or greasy formula. It actually has a colored undertone in it as well. So like the Merlot has a red undertone in it, and the Golden Sugar has a yellowish brown undertone in it, and these two glitter shades are perfect paired with the Desert Sand and the Sevelina colors. In this look, I actually just took a small flat brush and I dipped into Golden Sun, which is the golden undertone glitter. And instead of wetting down the brush or putting on a glitter glue, you really don't need it with this formula because it is so dense and it's more like an eyeshadow than a, like I said, like an oily formula. So I just pack this on the eye. I literally press it onto my eye and it sticks like butter. It is beautiful. It is so creamy, so pigmented, and the way that it adheres to your eye, the formula is just perfect. And I've never experienced any kind of fallout with this at all. Like, I don't find glitter on my face later on in the day. Wearing it, it wears very, very well. And then I put the Merlot glitter shade like in the middle of my eyelid, and it creates like a reddish goldish hue right there. You're not really going to be able to see like a super pop of red, but it's enough of a burgundy that it makes it look kind of dimensional, dynamic, and it really makes eyes pop. And then last but not least, I put the Sevolina shade on my lower lash line. I love the pop of color that this brings. And I know the Desert Sand color is also a great color to also put on your bottom lashes if you want to. But this look, the Sevolina color, is a great pop on the lower lashes. And it really makes my eyes like boom, like green as can be. And if you have green eyes, this is definitely a technique to make them pop and make them look bigger, brighter, and bolder. Happy holidays! Happy holidays! While the merry bells keep ringing, happy holidays to you. So guys, I really hope you liked this video. Give it a good thumbs up if you do, and hit me with some comments below if you would like to see more holiday videos for 2019. We're going into 2020 here, which is crazy to think about. And I hope you guys subscribe, hit the bell for notifications when I post on my channel again, and I will see you later. Happy holidays!